Schneider Electric presents Schneider Charge, the intelligent charging station tailored for professionals. Schneider Charge is designed for easy and flexible installation, both indoors and outdoors, with connections from the bottom, top, or back. You always have the optimal installation solution. The fixed charging cable ensures quick and simple charging for your customers, with direct integration into the Monta app and other certified charging apps. Your customers can conveniently charge when electricity is cheapest, saving money on their energy bills with just one tap. The innovative anti-tripping module prevents overloads in the home's electrical system. It dynamically balances the charging process, optimizing charging even during peak electricity usage elsewhere in the house. The anti-tripping module can also account for local solar power production, ensuring the charging station optimally utilizes all available energy. Schneider Charge, the professional solution for safe, efficient, and energy-conscious charging every day.